When you are looking for a used car, how do you decide which of the thousands of dealerships to trust? It is simple. Choose Foray Motor Group, where a warranty for life can be offered with every Foray Approved car. We are so confident in the quality of our Foray Approved used cars, we can provide a warranty that lasts the entire life of the car. So how does this work? We source the best used cars for the Foray Approved program. We test and prepare them to the highest standard. Qualifying cars are then approved for warranty for life. Warranty for life will give you complete confidence in your used car. It provides a comprehensive initial and annual maintenance inspection, covers the cost of all mechanical and electrical parts, including labour, up to the purchase price of your car every year. These are just some of the potential repair costs covered by warranty for life. It provides breakdown assistance at the roadside, at home, and includes national recovery, which are all attended by the UK's leading breakdown organisation, the AA. It includes a personal service plan, and all service work is carried out by fully qualified expert technicians at one of our dealerships. Warranty for life. Driving confidence.